Peanut butter milkshake. Peanut butter milkshake is a delicious treat that combines the rich, nutty flavor of peanut butter with the creamy goodness of a milkshake. Here's a recipe for a classic peanut butter milkshake. Ingredients: 1. 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter. 2. 3 cups vanilla ice cream. 3. 1 cup whole milk. 4. Whipped cream, optional. 5. Crushed peanuts, optional. Instructions: 1. Add the peanut butter, ice cream, and milk to a blender. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. 3. Pour the milkshake into glasses. 4. Top with whipped cream and crushed peanuts, if desired. 5. Serve and enjoy. 6. This recipe makes enough for 2 large milkshakes or 4 smaller ones. 6. You can adjust the ingredients to make more or less, or to customize the flavor to your liking. 6. For example, you could add chocolate syrup or banana to the milkshake for a twist on the classic recipe. The peanut butter in the milkshake provides a rich, nutty flavor, while the ice cream and milk make it creamy and smooth. The whipped cream and crushed peanuts on top add a bit of texture and extra flavor. Overall, a peanut butter milkshake is a decadent treat that is sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. Step 1. Gather all the ingredients you'll need. To make a peanut butter milkshake, you will need the following ingredients. 1. 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter. 2. 3 cups vanilla ice cream. 3. 1 cup whole milk. 4. Whipped cream, optional. 5. Crushed peanuts, optional. In terms of tools, you will need a blender to blend all the ingredients together. You can use a standard countertop blender, a handheld immersion blender, or even a food processor if you don't have a blender. You may also want to have a measuring cup and spoons on hand to ensure you add the correct amount of each ingredient. And if you want to add whipped cream and crushed peanuts on top, you will need a whisk or electric mixer for the whipped cream and a rolling pin or kitchen mallet to crush the peanuts. Step 2. Prepare the glasses you'll serve your milkshakes in. Before you make your peanut butter milkshake, it's a good idea to prepare the glasses you'll be serving them in. Here are a few tips. 1. Choose the right type of glass. A tall, narrow glass is the best type of glass for a milkshake. 1. This allows the milkshake to be layered and makes it easier to drink through a straw. 1. You can use a classic milkshake glass, a soda fountain glass, or even a mason jar. 2. Chill the glasses. To keep your milkshake cold and prevent it from melting too quickly, you can chill your glasses in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. 3. Add a garnish. To make your milkshake look extra special, you can add a garnish to the rim of the glass. 3. Dip the rim of the glass in melted chocolate or peanut butter and then dip it in crushed peanuts or sprinkles. 4. Serve with a straw and spoon. Milkshakes are typically thick and creamy, so it's a good idea to serve them with both a straw and a spoon. 4. The straw allows you to sip the milkshake, while the spoon helps you scoop up any remaining bits. By preparing your glasses ahead of time, you'll be able to serve your peanut butter milkshakes in a way that's both practical and visually appealing. Step 3. Assemble and mix your ingredients in a blender. Once you have your ingredients and glasses ready, it's time to assemble and mix them together in a blender to make your peanut butter milkshake. Here's how. 1. Add 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter, 3 cups vanilla ice cream, and 1 cup whole milk to the blender. 2. Secure the lid on the blender and blend the ingredients until they are smooth and creamy. 3. Stop the blender and use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the blender if needed. 4. Turn the blender back on and blend the ingredients for another 10 to 15 seconds to ensure everything is well combined. 5. Once the mixture is smooth and creamy, pour the milkshake into the chilled glasses you prepared earlier. 6. Optional, top the milkshake with whipped cream and crushed peanuts. 7. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious creamy peanut butter milkshake. Blending the ingredients together in a blender is a quick and easy way to make a smooth and creamy milkshake. Just be sure not to overblend or the milkshake may become too thin. Step 4. Pour your delicious milkshake into the glasses and add toppings. After you have blended the ingredients and achieved a smooth and creamy consistency, it's time to pour the milkshake into the prepared glasses and add toppings to enhance the flavor and presentation. Here are some delicious topping ideas for a creamy peanut butter milkshake. 1. Whipped cream. Top your milkshake with a generous swirl of whipped cream. 1. You can use store-bought whipped cream or make your own by whipping heavy cream with a whisk or mixer until it forms stiff peaks. 2. Chocolate sauce. Drizzle some chocolate sauce on top of the whipped cream for an extra decadent treat. 2. You can use store-bought chocolate sauce or make your own by melting chocolate chips with a little heavy cream in the microwave or on the stove. 3. Crushed peanuts. Sprinkle some crushed peanuts on top of the whipped cream or chocolate sauce. 3. This adds a nice crunch and nutty flavor to the milkshake. 4. Caramel sauce. Drizzle some caramel sauce on top of the whipped cream and peanuts for a sweet and salty twist. 5. Chocolate chips. Sprinkle some chocolate chips on top of the whipped cream or mix them into the milkshake before blending for an extra chocolatey flavor. Experiment with different toppings to find your favorite combination and create a milkshake that is truly unique and delicious. Peanut butter milkshake benefits. While peanut butter milkshakes are a tasty treat, they are not necessarily the healthiest option due to their high calorie and fat content. However, here are some potential benefits of some of the ingredients in a peanut butter milkshake. 1. Protein. Peanut butter is a good source of protein, which is important for building and repairing muscles. 2. Healthy fats. While peanut butter is high in fat, it contains mostly healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. 3. Calcium. Milk is a good source of calcium, which is important for building strong bones and teeth. 4. Vitamin D. Milk is often fortified with vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium and is important for overall bone health. 5. Energy boost. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates in a peanut butter milkshake can provide a quick burst of energy, making it a good option for a pre- or post-workout snack. However, it's important to consume peanut butter milkshakes in moderation as they can be high in calories and sugar. It's also a good idea to use natural peanut butter without added sugar or hydrogenated oils for a healthier option.